Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wimbo handoko. My NPM is 149. Last week, we learned about the organ of animals. Now, we will learn about the organ of plants. Organ owned by plants consist of main organ and additional organ. Principal organ are organ that very important for plants, while the additional organ are the result of modification of the main organ. So each organ does not work independently, but the organ depend on influence each other. Therefore, it is important to know the organ that exists in plant. What are the various organs in plant? Plant organ consists of root, stems, flower, leaf, fruits, and the seed. 1. Root. Plant roots serve to support vegetation, absorb the water and mineral salt, and store food reservoir in certain plants. To support a plant mean that roots can holding it standing in of drive away rainwater. In some plants roots are used to store food reserve. Roots are distinguished into taproot and fibrous root. The taproot is found in tenules, while the fibers are found in monochrome. Plant parts ranging from the roots of fruits and their function. Plants parts ranging from the roots to fruits and their function. To support a plant means that roots can hold it standing in the wind of drift away with rainwater. In some root plants, roots are used to store food reserve. Roots are distinguished into taproot and fibrous roots. The taproot is found in tenules, while fibers are found in monochrome. 2. Roots. The term serves to erect vegetation, connect roots and leaf, and as the food reserve in the vegetation. The trunk also serves as a path for photosynthesis. Food series to be distributed through the plant. The future of STEM is that books serve as place where the leaves are attached. And 3 is leaf. Leaf act as photosynthesis in plant. Inside the leaf is a chlorophyll or green substance used to aid photosynthesis. And what is a photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a making process of forming food carried out by plants, especially plants that contain leaf green substance, namely chlorophyll, with the help of sunlight energy. How does the process of photosynthesis occur? There are four important things need in the process of photosynthesis. First, water and then carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, and finally sunlight. Water obtained by plant from the soil in absorbed by the roots and flow to all parts of the plant, including the leaf. The carbon dioxide is obtained from the air that enter through the stomata. Stomata are located on the underside of the leaf. The process of photosynthesis occurs when the chlorophyll in leaf captures sunlight and use it to convert water and carbon dioxide into sugar and oxygen. Flower is a flower. A flower is said to be complete when it has petals, crowns, stamens, and nipples. For the incomplete flower, one of the four sections does not exist. The flower, based on their gender, are made up of three kinds. That is, perfect flower having both stamen and nipples. Male flower only have the stamens, and female flower that only have the nipples. This propagating agent served as the blending agent. 5 is a fruit. Fruit serves to store food reserve, wrapping and protecting seed. The stigma found in the flower structure has three parts of the stigma. The stigma and the future fruit. Whereas fruit will blossom into fruit, it will develop into seed. Number 6 is seed. The function of plant seed, which are food reserves, blending tools, and the formation of new plants. Seed come from seed pod. The seed is distinguished in two. That is an open seed and a closed seed. An open seed or even a gymnospermae is a plant whose bulb are not covered with a fruit. Whereas the closing seed is also called angiospermae, is a plant with a covered grain and has a flower. This is for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.